Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best gardening hand tools is probably one of the most essential investments any gardener can make, transforming mundane chores into satisfying tasks and paving the way for a flourishing garden. From the delicate precision needed for pruning roses to the robust strength required for turning soil, these tools are your indispensable partners in cultivating beauty and bounty. Number 5. Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears. Achieve clean cuts on live growth with these pruning shears. Their bypass blade design is perfect for delicate stems and green growth, minimizing damage. Experience lasting sharpness with precision ground steel blades. The all-steel construction ensures durability for consistent cutting performance, season after season. Enjoy smoother cuts thanks to a special blade coating that reduces friction and sap buildup. This feature also enhances rust resistance for extended use. Work comfortably with an ergonomic, non-slip handle that provides enhanced control and reduces hand fatigue. An easy open safety lock ensures secure storage. These shears are designed for everyday gardening and plant care. They are backed by a lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. To ensure longevity, wipe the pruners clean after each use to prevent sap buildup. Lightly oil the blade for extended product life. What we like. If you're looking for clean cuts on live growth, this is your go-to. Its bypass blade design minimizes plant damage, making it ideal for delicate stems and green growth. If you value precision and a tool that stays sharp, this is the one for you. What people say. The ergonomic handles are comfortable to grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and rust resistance, making them suitable for various gardening conditions. Each tool has a specific function, from digging and weeding to pruning, making them versatile for different gardening tasks. Number 4. SONKIR MS023-in-1 Soil Tester. Introducing the SONKIR MS02, the ultimate gardening tool. This device simplifies plant care by providing essential soil insights. Easily test your soil's moisture level, pH value, and sunlight exposure. Simply switch the function button to get the readings you need. Forget about batteries. Just insert the probe into the soil, wait a few minutes, and get accurate results displayed on the clear panel. Crafted with reliable materials and advanced technology, this tester is built for accuracy and long-term use, ensuring dependable results every time. Its portable and compact design makes it ideal for your house garden, farm, lawn, or any indoor and outdoor planting needs. Please remember, this tester is designed exclusively for soil. If the soil is too dry, water it before testing for accurate readings. What we like. For those who want to understand their soil deeply, this tool is a game changer. It measures moisture, pH, and sunlight all in one, and requires no batteries. If you're a beginner gardener or want to optimize your plant environment, this is a must-have. What people say. The ergonomic handles are comfortable to hold and reduce hand fatigue during long gardening sessions. The sharp, durable stainless steel blades make cutting through tough roots and branches effortless. The set includes a trowel, cultivator, and weeder, providing all the essential tools for various gardening tasks. Number 3. VIVOSUN 6.5-inch Gardening Hand Pruner. Tired of hand pain during gardening? These microtip snips are designed to reduce fatigue, making them perfect for extended use. Their comfortable grip handles ensure you can work for long periods without discomfort. Experience effortless cutting with precision-sharpened stainless steel blades. They are ready to handle all your deadheading, trimming, and shaping needs for various plants. Keep your blades safe and protected with a secure sideways locking mechanism. This design ensures they stay closed when not in use and is easy to operate for both right and left-handed users. Get into tight spaces and make precise cuts without damaging surrounding stems. These snips allow for one-handed operation, ensuring you only clip the exact area you intend to. Beyond gardening, these versatile tools are useful for trimming trees and flowers, cutting paper, and opening boxes. They are a handy addition to your toolkit for various tasks. What we like. If hand strain is a concern during your gardening sessions, consider this option. Its ergonomic grips and ultra-sharp blades make trimming and shaping plants effortless, even for extended periods. It's perfect for those with arthritis or anyone who wants a comfortable, precise snip. What people say. The ergonomic handles are comfortable to grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and resistance to rust, making them suitable for various gardening tasks. Each tool is designed with a specific function in mind, from digging and weeding to pruning and planting, offering versatility for any gardener. Number 2. NISAKU NJP 650 Original Hori Weeding Knife. Introducing the original Hori, a versatile tool crafted in Japan. Its high-quality stainless steel construction ensures durability for all your gardening needs. This tool features a unique dual-edged design with both serrated and straight cutting edges. It's perfect for a variety of tasks, from cutting and digging to weeding in different soil types. Achieve perfect planting depths every time with the convenient inch markings on the blade. Ensure your plants and bulbs are positioned just right for optimal growth. Work comfortably for longer periods with its ergonomic 5.25-inch wooden handle. It provides a secure grip and excellent control, making any outdoor task easier. Keep your workspace organized with its convenient hanging feature. It neatly stores on a peg rack, ensuring your shed or workbench stays tidy. Experience the authentic quality of Japanese craftsmanship. This tool is made by Tomita Manufacturing, guaranteeing a reliable and long-lasting addition to your toolkit. What we like. This tool is for the serious gardener who appreciates versatility and precision. Its dual-edged blade, featuring both serrated and straight edges, combined with inch markings for planting depth, makes it incredibly functional. If you enjoy digging, weeding, and precise planting, this Japanese-made knife is an excellent choice. What people say. The ergonomic handles are comfortable to grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The tools are made of high-quality stainless steel, which is rust-resistant and durable. The set includes a trowel, cultivator, and weeder, covering essential gardening tasks. Number 1. Play 22 10-piece heavy-duty gardening tool set. Introducing a comprehensive 10-piece gardening tool set, designed to be your go-to companion for all your planting needs. This kit has everything you require to start your gardening journey. Crafted from sturdy steel with ergonomic handles, these tools are built to last. They are rust-proof, break-proof, and incredibly easy to clean, ensuring a comfortable and efficient gardening experience. Specially designed ends ensure that you can work the soil and care for your plants without causing any damage. Tend to your garden with precision and care, protecting even the most delicate roots. No more searching for tools or making extra trips. This set provides instant access to everything you need, allowing you to effortlessly maintain your garden whenever inspiration strikes. Everything comes neatly organized in a stylish handbag with elastic straps for secure storage. It's not just practical, but also makes for a perfect gift for any gardening enthusiast. We stand by the quality of our tools. Enjoy peace of mind with a lifetime warranty, ensuring your investment is protected for years of happy gardening. What we like. If you're starting a garden or need a comprehensive set of reliable tools, this is the perfect package. It includes everything you need, from a weeder to pruners, all made from sturdy steel with ergonomic handles. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution with a lifetime warranty, this set is an unbeatable value. What people say. The ergonomic handles are comfortable to grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. The sturdy stainless steel construction ensures durability and resistance to rust, making them suitable for various gardening tasks. The set includes a trowel, cultivator, and weeder, providing a versatile range of tools for planting, soil preparation, and weed removal. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.